sound is the secret energy of the universe. It's conventionally taught that the fastest thing traveling through the universe is light traveling through the vacuum of space, where it has and it's not encountering resistance. And we know that light, once it gets inside of a medium, is slowed down. Interestingly, sound has the opposite property. For anybody who's ever studied it, supposedly sound doesn't travel at all in a vacuum because there's nothing to vibrate. And the denser the medium that sound passes through, like the air moving in the atmosphere is generally moving at the speed of sound. And, the denser that the medium that you pass sound through, the faster that the sound travels, passing the vibration because everything's packed more closely together. And so we know that a black hole is called a black hole because apparently the matter inside of a black hole gets so crushed down, so dense. I've heard it said that 100 million suns the size of a pinhead. I don't know if that's true, but I've heard that said. It's so dense that the escape velocity of light is not enough to escape it, and hence all the light is trapped inside of it, and they call it a black hole. And what I, have been trying to say is that, and this is Marcos teaching as well, and this has also been suggested by other scientists, that when you get into matter that's that dense, that sound is still penetrating that matter, and that the sound penetrating that matter at that point transcends the speed of light. And it becomes it's no longer a wave. It becomes what they refer to in quantum mechanics as a quasi-particle. Or, you could refer to it as the true God particle. And that is the source of the geometry and symmetry which underlies everything that we observe in the universe. It's all arising out of this hypersound, which you could literally connect to the word, if you will, or the fact that sound, that's the foundation of creation, and that creation is essentially musical. And then we've found that numbers themselves are musical. And they actually explain even our music scales and harmonies and why they work the way they do. So it doesn't become this abstract, heady thing. It becomes something that very much connects with the most intimate and personal levels of our lives, and that's why I find it to be very beautiful.